Hi kitties! So a while back I bought a guitar kit so I could replace my guitar strings, and in the kit was a bunch of guitar picks, something I don't really use that much. I just prefer to use the pads of my fingers instead. So I don't really have a use for them. But they are so pretty. There was no way I was just going to let these go to waste. So what we are going to do today is I am going to turn these into a pair of earrings. So I should probably preface this by saying this is not a tutorial on how to do this. I have not really done this before, and I don't really have the tools for it. As you can probably see, I am using an engraver right now. That's what this is. So, not really something you would use to turn guitar picks into earrings, and I don't really have a lot of the tools I would actually need for this. I'm just gonna make all of it from what I have lying around. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to drill a hole into each of these for the wire to go through so that I can, wear them. So that's what we're gonna do first. And like I said, this is not a tutorial. You should definitely, if you're going to do this yourself, you should definitely get the right tools to do this. I do not have those tools. And this would definitely be going a lot faster if I did, so.
Running through the clouds, I'm searching for something. I don't know where I am. I don't even know who I am. I'm lost in ether. I'm lost in ether. I'm lost in ether. And everything I knew about Earth is gone.
Okay, we've made it through. Now let's just make this hole a bit bigger so we can feed the wire through. We've made it through! It's a little bit messed up, but it's through, and that's what we want. So, time to do that with the second one. Okay, there we go. Okay, now we're done with those. Okay. Now, it is time to attach the earring parts. First, I have to make them though, so let's move those out of the way. I do not actually have any of the earring things, like the hooks, if that's what they're called. I'm not quite sure what they're called, but I don't have them. So instead we are going to make them out of these. And Kelly, if you're watching, I am so sorry. I know that when you gave these to me, they were in a little box and it was so nice and organized, but also you gave them to me. Probably one of the clumsiest people you know. So I kind of knocked the box over and they went everywhere, and I didn't want to spend the time organizing them, so I just threw them in this. I'm sorry. You did give them to me. I don't know what you expected. But yeah, let's get to making these. they're done. It turns out that I didn't really need the backing. I made the hooks much bigger than I probably needed to, but they stay perfectly fine. And yeah, thanks for watching!